high commissioners representing your nations, my commander, the CDF, Kainerugaba, Muhozi, brothers and sisters of UPDF, I'm back home. Here in Uganda, I have two homes. The first home is my country. Nobody shall be surprised that I'm here. I'm in my home. The second home is the NRM. Remember NRM. NRM was we remain as a funder. Somebody who has the Bible should read the 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 11. When I was a child, I thought like a child. I behaved like a child. I acted like a child. But now I'm grown. I know that the magnanimous heart of our leader, President Museveni, would accept my change of behavior. Thank you very much for accepting me in my home. I'm home to stay. I'm home to contribute to the development I have had and that I have seen. I went when I was bitter, but now I am better, and I'm loaded with solutions. I will not look in the past. I will not live in the past tense. I am looking forward to contributing to national development. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you. You're welcome, Mande. Take him and he sits down. Take him somewhere and he sits. Sure. Today.